This one tiny seed has more power than salmon, milk, and blueberries combined. What if I told you that something smaller than your pinky nail could revolutionize your health? Packed with nutrients, ancient history, and science-backed benefits, chia seeds are taking center stage in the superfood spotlight. But what really happens when you eat them every single day? Let's explore the 7 life-changing benefits of daily chia seed consumption you won't believe. Number 6. Welcome to Wellholic, where your health meets wisdom. 1. Total gut reset. The fiber fuel you didn't know you needed. Let's start in the belly, literally. Chia seeds are fiber powerhouses. Just 2 tablespoons pack around 10 grams of soluble fiber. When soaked, they transform into a gel-like consistency, acting like a broom inside your intestines, cleaning, soothing, and moving things along smoothly. This bulk helps you stay full, reduces bloating, and even feeds your healthy gut bacteria, supporting mood, immunity, and digestion. Fun fact, the name chia comes from an ancient Mayan word for strength, and ancient warriors used them to sustain energy and gut health during long treks. Drink chia water each morning, and you may start saying goodbye to sluggish digestion and constipation for good. 2. Heart smart fats for longevity. Heard omega-3 south are only in fish. Think again. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a powerful omega-3 that helps your heart run smoother. These fatty acids reduce inflammation, balance cholesterol levels, and support lower blood pressure. According to the Cleveland Clinic, chia seeds contribute to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease thanks to their unique mix of fiber, antioxidants, and fats. Think of omega-3 south as premium oil for your heart's engine. Less friction, better performance, longer life. 3. Stable blood sugar. No more energy crash. If you constantly crave sugar or crash mid-morning, chia might be your new secret weapon. These seeds slow down sugar absorption, preventing those nasty spikes and dips in blood glucose. In one study, adding chia to white bread lowered its glycemic response by nearly 40%. That's huge. The result? More balanced energy, fewer cravings, and support for those managing insulin resistance or prediabetes. You'll go from foggy brain to focused mind just by adding chia to your breakfast. 4. Appetite control and natural weight support. Trying to manage your weight without starving? Chia's got you covered. Their fiber expands in your stomach, triggering fullness signals naturally. Combine that with protein, and you've got a snack that tames cravings and curbs unnecessary snacking. In one clinical trial, chia eaters consumed fewer calories and reported less hunger compared to those who didn't. Even better, chia seeds help regulate ghrelin, the hunger hormone, keeping those late-night snack urges in check. Imagine reaching for chia pudding instead of that third cookie. You'll feel satisfied and light. 5. Stronger bones and dental armor. Surprise, chia seeds contain more calcium per ounce than most dairy products. 2 tablespoons give you almost 20% of your daily calcium, along with magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and even boron, which helps your body absorb all those minerals more efficiently. This powerful combo strengthens bones, supports joint health, and even helps build tooth and enamel naturally. Who knew bone and dental health could come from a seed instead of a supplement? 6. Glowing skin, healthy hair, and anti-aging from within. Want radiant skin, strong hair, and fewer wrinkles? Chia seeds offer antioxidants galore, outshining even blueberries. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals and stable molecules that cause aging and cellular damage. By adding chia daily, you're feeding your skin from the inside out, fighting oxidative stress, fine lines, and inflammation. Think of it as nature's internal skincare without the $80 anti-wrinkle cream. 7. Natural energy boost and athletic endurance. The Aztecs used chia before battle. Today, athletes use it for sustained, crash-free energy. Its balanced trio of fat, fiber, and protein acts like a slow-burning fuel source that keeps you going for hours. In fact, one study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that chia provided comparable endurance to sugary sports drinks without the sugar crash. Whether you're hitting the gym or surviving a long workday, chia seeds are like little energy grenades, fueling your body the smart way. Bonus tip, soaking makes them even more powerful. Raw chia seeds are safe, but soaking them overnight supercharges their benefits. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, making them easier to digest and gentler on your stomach. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia with water or milk, let it sit overnight, and enjoy. Think chia pudding, smoothies, or even just lemon chia water. Debunking the myth, are raw chia seeds dangerous? Some people worrying that eating dry chia can cause discomfort or blockage. The truth, in small amounts and with enough fluids, raw chia seeds are safe. But soaking them first ensures better hydration and digestive comfort, especially if you're new to fiber-rich foods. Bonus, soak them for better results and easier digestion. If this tiny seed just earned a place in your pantry, give this video a like. For more science-backed wellness tips, subscribe to Wellholic and hit the bell so you never miss a beat on your health journey. Drop a comment. How do you enjoy your chia smoothie, pudding, or straight up in water?